Hey, everybody. It is Shampoo Tyler from Sullivan Beauty, and I have the pleasure of interviewing Mr. Jameson Shaw of Sunlight's Balayage.
And we are so excited to be coming to New Hampshire.
Let's talk a little bit about these events. We have Candy Shaw coming in the September 18th class on Sunday. That is our hands-on painting balayage 2.0. What are three takeaways that somebody who might want to come to this class should know about that class?
I think what makes our education so unique is that Candy's approach is no nonsense, grassroots, easy to understand, and even easier to implement. So, by coming to class, you're not only going to tackle all of your balayage challenges, but you're also going to be equipped with the tools and the knowledge necessary to run back in the salon on Tuesday morning and convert that foil guest over. Balayage is so much more than just learning how to pick up a paintbrush and mix a bowl of lightener. You have to understand consultation to be able to convert that long-term foil gust over. So she's created the 10 commandments of better balayage. And it's a presentation that she's going to do in conjunction with her theory and curriculum that's really going to give you some talking points and to better understand how to position balayage in your salon.
On the following day, Monday, September 19th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., we're doing French cutting. What is French cutting?
So when you think about French cutting, I don't want you to think about a singular haircut. We don't teach haircuts. We teach hair cutting. Everything we do builds the layer from the top down. We cut everything on top of the finger. And it's a very ergonomic approach to cutting hair that's going to give you soft, seamless, wearable haircuts every single time. It is the single hottest thing that we're doing over here at Sunlights. What balayage and what French cutting can do for you is paint more energy to your bottom line and also give you that shot in the arm. Candy brings a breath of inspiration, application, and the ability to walk out of the room and run back into your salon re-energized.
Yeah, Sullivan Beauty is proud to represent Sunlight's Balayage and bring you this awesome hands-on education. Click the link below. Jameson, we look forward to seeing you. Say hi to your mom, the Bali Lama, and we'll see you all in a couple of weeks. Yeah?
I will. See you out there. Thanks,
All right.
Tyler.
Bye, guys.